big time freestyle finale. If you are new to monster trucks, if you've never watched Monster Jam, this is where they pull out all the stops, which means if that's what we saw from Jurassic Attack on the two-wheel, I'm just saying, get ready. Get ready, because I'm pretty sure he went up on one wheel in that first competition, so he better have more to come. If Again, folks, we are just a few minutes away from our freestyle finale, so if you are going to grab a yummy, yummy thing to eat from our food trucks or a delicious beverage over near the diner, get that going, get back to your seats. That freestyle finale to wrap up tonight's action is coming up next here at CNS.
Go find a guy with a CNS shirt and I'll get it. Or I can do it.